Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video I talked about Eggtart inflation in Hong Kong. I created several charts related to that. We saw that the price increased in a very high amount, and in the base index, price index with base, so compared to our baseline, or we created the rolling price index, which is always comparing to the previous period. We saw that actually the increase slowed down, but of course you had increase already on a larger amount. So when $1 increases 20%, it is not the same as when $7 increases 20%. So you can imagine 1 or 7 times 1.2. The absolute value of the 7 will be much higher, 0.2 or 1.4. so it's a natural thing that the increase slowed down. But what would be interesting to know is what did the GDP, the economy, do at the time, and later on I will get back with the average salaries in Hong Kong. So we have the GDPs, approximate GDP in billion US dollar, from half to 400. So we will do the base index, which is this one divided by this one, 4 brackets, and then multiply by 100. Exactly the same amount. Maybe I'll put it here as the Eggtart, but the economy, the 2020s, is 81,000 higher, and this one doesn't make sense, is 8,000 higher. The egg price increased. So I will calculate the rollover index as well, which is this one divided by this one times 100. I won't bother about the brackets now, and then we will see a slowing down pace here. So let's see. I will do one of your favorite functions, vlookup. I have put here the values. So I will look the 1950s because I started my data there in the other database. So I will get the 4th and the 5th column. So I get the 4th. First 0 exact match, and then I can do the drop down. 2020s. Why there is no match? Okay, then that is this one. Yeah, the databases are a little bit shifted, but I think you get the concept. So in the here I'm looking for this one and the number 5. I didn't type vlookup. Okay, so this one is not needed. So the increase comparable. So what we can see that shift it up. In the first 40s, the Eggtart price and the economy was very harmonized, but later the two separated. Maybe I can change the data for this one as well, where we see at first the economy was growing much faster than the Eggtart price. The same we can do here, maybe excluding the 2010s, and here surprisingly there was a huge increase in the 1960s in the economy. Okay, that was about GDP and Eggtart. Thank you very much for your attention. See you soon.